This MOU will helpful to take the exchange ideas. What we are developing that may be exchanged through HUN-REN, so that may be of helpful to the researchers, fellow researchers in Hungary. They will experiment more. For example, we are very good in some of the things like a probe development. But on the other side, the application-oriented process, the HUN-REN may handle, and they will come up with new fruitful technologies out of it, and that may help to the mankind to take care of many diseases. This cooperation will be more fruitful. It will not only develop only to Singapore, development to Singapore, but also to development to Hungary as well.
Science is universal and global, and all the researchers working on similar topics are interconnected in this global village. HUN-REN, the Hungary Research Network, is part of this global village. This gives us an enormous strength because HUN-REN, having some 3,500, 3,700 researchers within our network, will definitely have at least 10 times as many connections in the world. Our Hungarian researchers definitely have a global network, and it would be absolutely great to mobilize this international or global research network for the sake of research in Hungary, for the sake of the Hungary Research Network, for the sake of Hungary's future. We have to mobilize this network in order to promote research in Hungary and elevate the level of the Hungary Research Network.
HUN-REN is having like a kind of very focused towards TBI and other neuropsychiatric diseases, and we develop a lot of different drugs actually that can be used for treating and diagnosis of Alzheimer and Parkinson, and now we are also working on like a multiple sclerosis, so that by integrating both HUN-REN as well as the Stanford, especially with my lab experience in new therapeutics and a lot of different microRNAs which are also associated with these diseases like Alzheimer and multiple sclerosis as well as Parkinson's. Brain cancer is one of the worst disease right now, either with treatment or without treatment. 5-year survival rate is only less than 5%. So that anything to do with treating this kind of hard to treat cancer is very, very useful. So that this experience and collaboration would be very beneficial for both sides, including to Stanford as well as to HUN-REN actually, to make it more like a promising next generation therapeutics as well as diagnostics.